What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Thank you for sticking with me, even though I'm not that consistent. I'm going to try my best this time around. Anyway, this look today is what this video is about. It's a simple yet glam look, and all the products I use are super affordable for beginners. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Right now I'm going to start by doing my brows. So I'm using this pencil in dark brown from Care. I'm just using that to fill in my brows. Now I'm going to clean it up. I'm using the LA Pro Concealer in Toffee. Now I'm going to clean the top of my brows. I'm using my shade of foundation just so it blends in properly. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyeshadow. I'm prepping my eyeshadow base with the same concealer I used for my brows. So I'm going to start with this purplish reddish shade as my transition color. I'm going to make sure I leave down all the information in the description section of all the products I'm using. Anyway, so now I'm going to put that purple shade on top of that reddish purplish shade. So I'm just putting that because I want the purple to be more obvious. So I'm just spreading that and blending it in properly. Now I'm going to go in the corners of my eyes with that dark shade. You want to make sure you blend everything in properly because you don't want the black to just be on top there. You have to blend it in. Anyway, now I'm just going to go ahead and use this blue pigment I got from a store on Instagram. I'm going to leave the information. It was so cheap, guys. Anyway, so yeah, wow, look at that pigmentation. Like, I didn't even need to cut my crease. Oh, I'm using a flat brush to make sure the blue is on there perfectly. Just look at that, guys. Now I'm just going to go back in and just, smoothen everything out, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to go back in with that purple shade and that black shade to just smoke out the corners. Just blend everything out so it just smooth, so everything looks blended out. Decided to add glitters to spike up the look. I'm going in with this blue and purple mixed glitters, so I'm just going to use glitter glue and just put that right on top of the area where I want to put the glitters. I'm just using that flat brush and dropping the glitters right on top of the area where I put the glue. I'm going to reduce the light so you can see how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and do it on the second eye. I've gone ahead and put on some lashes and done some eyeliner. So yeah, I did that off camera to save time. I'm going to go ahead and do my skin work. I already placed the amount I want to use on my blender, on my beauty blender. So I'm just going to start blending it all over my skin. Now I'm going to go in with that same concealer from LA in Toffee. Just going to use that to highlight my face. I'm going to put that in the areas where I want to highlight. I'm going to blend that in. So I just skipped that whole blending process, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my face. I'm setting my face with this Zaron oil control loose powder. Anyway, so yeah, I'll leave down all the information in the description section. I don't remember what shade in particular I'm using. I'm just going in with my beauty blender and blending everything in because I like to blend it in before I dust it off. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to do a little bit of reverse contour. If you notice, I didn't cream contour. I like to skip that process sometimes. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put on some contour, some powder contour rather. Setting my face with Zaron setting spray to seal everything in and just make my face a bit calm. I'm going to go back in with this Facebook palette from Classic Cosmetics. I'm just going to use that to blend everywhere, just to make everywhere more mattified. Now it's time for some glow. Just using my hand to just put it right on top of my skin. Sometimes I like to use my hand because it gives you this different feel, this melted look. So yeah, I'm still going to adjust it with a brush, of course, but yeah, I like to put it on my skin with my hands sometimes. I'm going to do my nose highlight. I just like to put it on the bridge of my nose and at the tip of my nose. So That's what I'm doing. Now I'm going to put on some lipstick. I decided to use something moisturizing. I'm going in with this Saron moisturizing lipsticks. I'm using the really dark shade, I don't remember the name, and then a nude shade. I'll leave down all the information in the description section. Yeah, so yeah, that's how it's looking. And yeah guys, this is it for this look. I hope you guys love it as much as I do, so please give me a thumbs up, yeah, if you do. And yes, this is it for this look. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. It's just right there. Just subscribe, please. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.